Before troubleshooting the power module, firstly confirm if there are any anomalies. Now we should check the power connector's proper connection and ensure that there is no looseness. Through the switch configuration interface, it becomes apparent that PSU2 is operating flawlessly, while the PSU1 is experiencing a malfunction. Then comes the specific steps of replacing the faulty power supply module. Before replacing the faulty power module, please take note of the following precautions. Unlock the power cord lock and unplug the power cable. Press the captive screw and gently pull out the power module. Even when replacing the faulty power module, the switch will continue to operate. Insert the power module horizontally into the power slot until it is fully seated. Ensure the power is connected and lock the power cable securely. After replacing the faulty power module, we can observe the status indicator on the panel. A solid green light indicates normal operation of the power modules. Through the switch configuration interface, it can be clearly seen that both PSU1 and PSU2 are operating normally.